Hey everyone, in today's video, you're gonna practice the most entertaining and most important speaking technique. That is what we call tongue twister. How to pronounce different words differently and appropriately, and you'll be able to practice your tongue. How your tongue pronounce every word appropriately. So let's get into the video. My first tongue twister technique is let's practice, and you should speak or repeat the same that what I'm gonna speak. The first one is unique New York, unique New York. Please practice. Unique New York, unique New York. You need unique New York. Unique New York, unique New York. You need unique New York. So this is the first tongue twister. The second one is red letter, yellow letter. Red letter, yellow letter. Pronounce it. Good. My third tongue twister is 80 added it. 80 added it. So how to pronounce it correctly? 80 added it. 80 added it. Pronounce it. 80 added it. Good. My next tongue twister is three free throws. Three free throws. Three free throws. Pronounce it. Good. My next tongue twister is this is a sushi chef. This is a sushi chef. This is a sushi chef. Pronounce. Good. My next tongue twister is Irish wristwatch. Irish wristwatch. Irish wristwatch. Irish wristwatch. Good. My next tongue twister is tragedy strategy. Tragedy strategy. Tragedy strategy. Good. My next tongue twister is toy boat. Toy boat. Toy boat. Pronounce. Good. And the next one is I saw a saw which could not saw. I saw a saw which could not saw. I saw a saw which could not saw. Good. The next one is he sells seashells at the seashore. He sells seashells at the seashore. The next one is Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy has no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Good. So practice these tongue twisters every day, and I challenge that your English will improve faster than ever because your tongue will start reacting according to that specific or according to the English pronunciation style. I hope you like the video. Thank you very much for watching.